Hello everyone, today I have a video of editing video with, without copyright claim anymore. I have the tool you can edit it all the video as you want, multi video at the same time. How can they edit it? Yes. Now how to download first. You just click on the link below or go to this channel called Sambat Dev and search the video that you can see the title here, but if you don't understand, you just click on the link to download this tool. You click on that link and you will go to the file that him give it. This is not mine, but I think this is very good for everyone, so thank to Mr. Sambat. You can download, click on code, right, and download zip. Click on download. Wait a minute. Yes, you can see that just download it, so I won't download and it again. You have to download it first. Now after you download, this is the file that you will download here. This is called video editing tool main.zip. This file you will download here is about 300 megabyte, and you extract file here or anywhere you want to place it, and you will get a file. Yes, and extract here. You can see I already installed it. I already extract it, so I no need to extract again. So the file you will be extract will be right there, and you click on it. And how to use it? It is very easy and very easy and very easy to understand. So you extract the folder. Is you can change the folder from this. You can change to icon to easy. Yes, like me, medium icon or detail. Yes, I think icon is very good. And you click on the folder. Yes, this is the video. This I imported. If you want to convert the video or edit the video, you have to copy or move your video file into this raw video. You can see. And now after I put the video on this folder, and what you do is go to config.json. you can see this code. You can edit color. You can see color. If you don't want your color to change, you just set it to 1. You can see, and you can set it from 0 to 1, 0.1, 0.2, or 0 to 1. So the video will become from black to bright. And another one is speed means you can speed up your video or slow down your video. You put it 1 means you don't want to change speed is normal. If you want to speed up, it's just 0.2, 0.1, or anything. Now I don't want to change and speed, so And the flip is it's you want flip and you want to flip from left to right, but it's not flip down or upside down. Yeah, the thing I don't want to flip. I just put one, but if you I want to flip, you put one. If you want to flip, you stick 0. You right? Now the volume the volume and the logo. Sorry, volume you can put it more loud or more low, more decrease the volume. You can put it one below one and or higher than one. And another logo is you can see logo is so 0 is mean I don't want to add logo. If you want to add the logo, you put it to 1 and to put the logo in the folder name logo, right? But I don't want add a logo. I click 0, put it 0. And sound, in sound, if you want to add this sound, mean that your video have original sound, but if you want to keep that original sound, you click you edit it to 0. If you want a new sound, a new music, you put on 1. And the resize video, if you want to resize video, you want to resize a new frame, a new width or height, you can change it right here. Resize video. If you want to change, you click on 1 and you can see you want to change to 1920 or 1880, or you want to change to real video or to short video form, you just change to another form. But in this video I don't want to change. I click edit 0 and click on save, and click on save. You can close it. Yes, and now you can see the audio folder. The audio folder means that the music you will add to your video. If you put the volume 0, you don't need to care about audio folder. If you add the volume to 1, so you have to put your audio in this folder. After you put the video right there, you have to, and everything is set, you can click on run on this folder, double click. Yes, and wait a minute. Oh, sorry about, I forgot to tell you that before you install this video, you have to install that program called Python. You have to install to Python. You can go to Chrome and put Python and click on download, and you have to install the Python. And I think you should install it. You should go to YouTube and search about to install. Yes, because if you install the Python in properly, this editor will not work properly. You can see now the video is editing, and the video that edit will come to edited video. This is a video that I already edited. Yes. Yeah, so I hope you will understand. Thank you, and click on subscribe and like button below. Thank you. Goodbye.